Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to build our first Jenkins job which we created in the previous lecture and inspect the results. Now we're at the landing page of Jenkins. On the right side of the landing page, under an All tab, Jenkins lists all jobs that we have created in our Jenkins interface. We have only created one job so far. Let's just click the Build Now button on the last column of our project entry to fire off our first job execution. Then we click the job name to enter the main page of the project. See? That build was scheduled. There is a blue ball displayed under our build history. This tells us the last known state of our build. In Jenkins, blue ball indicates success. And if we click on the ball, it takes us to the main page for this build. Now, if we click Console Output, we can see the console output of that job. See? It prints out Hello Jenkins in the console. You also have the option to delete the build, which we may do later. Let's go back to the landing page. Click back to Project, then back to Dashboard. On the job list, it shows First Jenkins Job, which is our first job. And then which build number that I'm on. Currently, it's build number 1. If you click on build number 1, Jenkins will take us to the main page for this build, which we just saw. The first column is status column. As we mentioned before, the blue ball indicates the last run was successful. The second column is the weather, which shows an aggregated trend of all the builds that had happened recently. Sunshine means that all the recent builds are successful. Then we have the last failure. Since we haven't had any failures, N/A is displayed. Next to the last failure column, we have the last duration column, which displays how long the last build took. In our case, it is 93 milliseconds. And then in the final column, we have a Build Now button, which will allow us to trigger an immediate build. That's it for this lecture. I hope you've enjoyed it.